This is Mindful Meditation India, your go-to channel for guided meditations and inner exploration. In this session, we will embark on a journey to cleanse and activate the third eye chakra, allowing you to tap into your inner wisdom and Third eye chakra meditation is a powerful practice that focuses on balancing and activating the Ajna Chakra, also known as the third eye chakra. The third eye chakra is located in the center of the forehead, between the eyebrows, and is associated with intuition, perception, and inner wisdom. By working with the third eye chakra, we can enhance our ability to connect with our inner guidance, expand our consciousness, and gain deeper insights into ourselves and the world around us. It helps us tap into our intuition, access higher knowledge, and develop a sense of clarity and inner vision. Before we begin, I urge you to support us by subscribing to the channel. Find a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath, allowing your body to relax and release any tension. As you settle into a comfortable position, become aware of your breath. Take slow, deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. With each breath, let go of any stress or distractions, and allow yourself to enter a state of deep relaxation. Repeat this for 5 to 7 times. Now, bring your attention to the center of your forehead, between your eyebrows, which is the location of your third eye chakra. Visualize a vibrant indigo-colored energy wheel spinning gently in this area. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine this indigo energy expanding and radiating outward, clearing any blockages and restoring balance to your third eye chakra. Feel its energy growing stronger with each Now, bring your focus to your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing the breath to travel up to your third eye, and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or thoughts that no longer serve you. Repeat this a few times. As you breathe, imagine a soft, soothing indigo light flowing into your third eye chakra. With each inhale, This light becomes brighter and more vibrant, illuminating your inner vision and intuition. Imagine this indigo light extending beyond your physical body, connecting you to the infinite wisdom of the universe. Feel a sense of expansion and connection as you tap into your inner guidance and intuition. Let's stay in this embrace for 5 minutes and feel the connection with the ultimate growing with each rhythm. Now, repeat the following affirmations silently or aloud, allowing their power to resonate within you. My intuition is strong and clear. I trust my inner guidance. I see beyond the surface and perceive the truth. I am connected to my higher wisdom. I honor and respect my intuition. As you repeat these affirmations, visualize your third eye chakra glowing with indigo light, becoming more balanced and harmonized with each affirmation. Take a few more moments to simply be present with the energy of your third eye chakra, observing any sensations or insights that arise. Trust in the wisdom that flows from within you. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to your physical body. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and take a few deep breaths, gradually opening your eyes. Remember, as you go about your day, honor your intuition and inner guidance. Trust in the wisdom of your third eye chakra, and allow it to guide you on your path of self-discovery and spiritual growth. I hope this guided meditation helps you in balancing and activating your third eye chakra. Thank you for joining me on this journey of inner wisdom and intuition. Do subscribe to this channel and support your loved ones in their journey by sharing this video. Remember, you can return to this meditation whenever you feel the need to cleanse and activate your third eye chakra. Thank yourself for taking this time for self-care and inner exploration.